Dad! 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 Can you peel off this yuck? Dad? Dad, I need help! Why does he never listen to me? Uh-oh. Dad, can you help me do this? It's hard because it just like fell over. Third time today.
So, come on. We're gonna get going. It's time to go, we're gonna go pick up Mommy. Hey, I got your coat. So, come on. So, why aren't you listening?